I'll add the even formulas also. Question number 25. The last question. I'm taking here LHS. LHS is cos 6x. Cos 6x, I want to write your wish. You can write 2 into 3x. But when you observe here, right side RHS consists only cos functions. There is no any sine function, any other function. Only they express it in terms of cos alone, right? So that either you can write 2 into 3x or 3 into 2x. What shall we write here? You only tell me.
3 into 2x.
3 into 2x. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if we write the 3 into 2x, since it is in the form of cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So remember this formula. So LHS is cos 6x is clearly equal to right side. So theta value is 2x. Just replace theta by 2x. So 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. This 4 cos cube can be written as 4 into cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos 2x. Since we know that, again, can anyone tell that what is cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos alone? Because R consists only
2
of,
cos square theta minus.
yeah, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Everyone should remember formulas. Okay, everyone should remember formulas.
So what if we split cos 6x into cos 3x plus x 3x?
Cos,
3x plus 3x.
yeah, why not? A plus B formula.
Yes, sir.
3x plus 3x. As you said, cos 6x, if we write cos 3x plus 3x, cos A plus B, that is cos 3x into cos 3x minus sine 3x into sine 3x. That time what will happen? Cos square 3x minus sine square 3x. Again, that minus sine square 3x, you can write as 1 minus cos square 3x. So finally 2 cos square. So we are going to get same only. Okay. Like that also you can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if you remember this in this procedure, you can go through that. Otherwise, you can write as 3x plus 3x. No problem. Right. Now 4 cos 2x formula I have written. 2 cos square x minus 1
The whole
minus
cube.
3 times of 2 cos square x minus 1 here whole cube. Right. Since it is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube formula?
A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B. AB into
A cube minus b cube
minus 3AB into AB.
minus 3ab into a plus a minus b. So minus 3ab into a minus b, otherwise you can write as minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If you multiply that, this is only will be. Okay, fine. So 4 times of a cube. So 2 cos square x whole cube minus b cube minus 1 cube minus 3a square. A square means 2 cos square x the whole square plus 3a. 3a means 2 cos x b square 1 square. Now multiply with here. First I expanded this, then multiply with 2 here, multiply with 3 here, so not plus 3, minus 3 times of 3 2s are, shall I write 6 directly? 3 into 2 cos square x minus into minus plus 3. Okay, then now you can multiply with, or before that 4 into 2 cube. Shall I write 8 cos to the power of 6x? 2 3s are 6. Shall I write this? 8 cos 4 6x minus 1 minus, yeah, what about this 2 square? 4. 4 into 3, Shall I write 12 cos power 4x? Yes, student. This value is what? 3 into 2 cos square x the whole square. 2 to the 4, 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12. Am I right?
Yes,
Getting
sir.
any doubts you can ask. 3 to the 6, 6 cos x. Minus, multiply with 3, it's minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now multiply with 4, multiply with 4, 32 cos to the power of 6x minus 4 minus 48 cos to the power of 4x plus 24 cos x. Then after 6 times of cos square x plus 3. Now write in order 32 only power 6. Degree 6 only one term is there, that is cos to the power of 6x minus next highest. So writing like descending order. First highest degree, next then after like that. Highest degree is 6. Next fourth degree is highest one. So is there any other fourth degree? No. So 48 cos to the power of 4, 48 cos to the power of 4x. Then after minus 6 cos square x. Okay, students. Then
Actually, that must be 24 cos.
oh, this is I think
2 cos
here it
square.
is
Sir,
cos.
3 is how 3 friends?
Okay, where?
Sir, 24 cos square x, sir. Which is right below.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. Because it is cos square, it is also cos square. I have written here 6 cos x. It is not 6 cos x. Here cos 2 into 3, 6. 6 cos square x. Okay. Now plus no 24
Sir,
cos
plus
square.
18 cos square x, sir.
Exactly. So 24 minus 6 is 18. Then plus 3. Is it right?
So plus 1,
Yes,
sir.
yes, 4.
In some.
Okay, minus 4 plus 3. Plus 1 or minus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Here minus 4 is there. See, so that you should observe very carefully, right? Finally, we got minus 1. Because minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Once again, what we done here? Cos 6x, we have written 3 into 2x. We applied that cos 3 theta formula. So 4 cos cube minus 3 cos. So when we apply that, we got 4 cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos 2x. Cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. Just substitute, then apply a minus b whole cube formula. Okay. A minus b whole cube, you can write as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube also. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then after substitute a value as 2 cos square x, b value is 1, and simplify. Finally we get this is required. What about this value? Required RHS. Therefore
Proved. Hence proved.
LHS equal to RHS. Correct or not? Minus 32 minus 48 plus 18 minus 1. Right.
Sir,
So the yeah,
sir, what if we do cos 2 into 3x, sir?
cos 2 into
3x. Can you explain how to do it?
where I didn't get it. Can you repeat again?
Sir, here we have done cos 3 into 2x, sir.
Why this? Well, just a minute. Okay, students. Yeah. Now tell me cos.
Cos 2 into 3x. How to do it?
Cos 2, okay, cos 2 into 3x, okay. And that is method 2. Let's see now. Cos 2 into 3x. Okay, what is cos 2 theta formula?
2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta minus 1, right?
Sir,
Now,
this one is easy, sir, actually.
which one? 2 cos square, yeah. See, the
Sir,
thing
this
is,
is power 2 only, no, sir, so it will be easy, sir.
no, what I'm saying here, NCRT. In NCRT way, we need to write more number of steps. For every question, sometimes 3 methods are there, 4 methods are there, there may be 2 methods are there. So what is here in NCRT, we need to write more number of steps. Due to that, we have taken 3 into 2x. So even we can do in this way also. So whatever the method, you are going to get more number of steps. It's based on the question again. If it is 2 marks question, you can write less number of steps, no problem. If it is 5 marks, you need to write more number of steps. Okay, so now cos, what is cos? It is in the form of theta here. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now this can be written as 2 times of cos 3x the whole square minus 1. Now cos 3x formula. 2 times of cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x the whole square minus 1. Am I right? Okay. Okay, all of you do this method. Do it this and check it. Yes, student got the answer.
So can we show the open?
Four square is 16. 16 to the 32 will get. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Anyhow, you can simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay. Can anyone complicate this? Students, fastly. Okay. So this is easy, you can simplify. Then we'll go for next concept, trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equation means till now they given just expression. Okay. So equation means if I take sin x is equal to 0, it is an equation. So the equation involving the trigonometric functions, sin x, cos x, tan x. So clearly they're given, if you see here, equation involving trigonometric functions of a variable is called the trigonometric equation. Okay, now we have to solve this equation. There are two types of solutions are there. One is principal solution and another one is general solution. Principal solution is there, general solution is there. What is the difference between principal solution and general solution? It is very simple. See, one complete rotation. Say sin x is a periodic function, cos x is a periodic function. Nothing but the wave will be repeat. The wave will be repeat. Okay. The principal solution means the x value which is lies within a one complete rotation. See, after one complete rotation, what will happen? Again, it will become first quadrant. Again, it is repeating process. Okay, the theta value is belongs to 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, one complete rotation. Then the solution is called principal solution. Okay, so when you take here, see, clearly we know that 360 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Theta value is 0. After one complete rotation, again theta becomes to 0 only. 360 means 0. Nothing but when I take here equal to 0, observe here what they given, 0 lesser than or equal to x only they given lesser than, because 2 pi is equal to 0. Already we equating to 0. So x 0 is lesser than or equal to. When you take equal to 0, you should not take to 2 pi. When you take equal to 2 pi, you should not take equal to 0 also. Very simple. X value is belongs to 0 to 360, first rotation. Then that is solution is called principal solution. So no, I don't want to like that. I want to find all the entire solution from minus infinity to plus infinity. I want to write like in general form. Okay, the solution I want to write as a integer. It's based on the integer. Like see, it is involving that integer n, which give all the solution, nothing but whatever the possible solutions are there from minus infinity to plus infinity. I want to write that solution in terms of n. Then that solution is called general solution. See here, for example, sin 0 value is what? Sin 0.
0.
Sin 180.
Minus 1.
Sin 180.
1, sir.
Sin 180 is 1.
0, sir.
0. Sin 180 is, I'm not asking sin 90. Okay, sin 180 is 0. Sin 360.
Again
0.
0.
Then like every 180. What about the value? 480, 720,
0.
1080.
0, sir.
Everything will be 0. Okay. So from 0 to 0, x lesser than 2 pi till 360, x is equal to 0 is sin x is 0, and x is equal to 180, sin 180 is 0. Even sin 2 pi also clearly 0 only. This is which is belongs to one complete revolution or one complete revolution. Am I right? This is the x value which is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Then the solution is called principal solution. See here, principal solutions. And see, like if I take the principal solution, what are the principal solutions here? 0 and 180 alone. We should not equate into 2 pi because lesser than 2 pi. Only when sin x is equal to 0, x values are only 0 and 180. Even sin 2 pi also 0 actually, but we should not consider. So this 0 and pi are the principal solutions. It is very, again, like very easy concept only. Okay, but just we have to think logically here. Okay, principal solutions are only 0 pi, but here we know that, since we know that sin x value is 0 when x is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, like that till infinite. Not only this, x is equal to 0, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, till minus infinity. Like that, how many solutions are there here?
Infinitely many.
Infinite solutions are there. X having infinite. For infinite value, sin x is 0. These are the infinite solution. But can you write in general representation this?
N pi.
Exactly. We can write x is equal to n pi. N belongs to what? According to this,
Integer.
integers. Okay. It's not real number. That's it. When x is equal to n pi, sin n pi value always 0 when n belongs to z. You should not write n belongs to a real number. Okay. This is general solution. This is called general solution because sin n pi will give having infinite solution. Those infinite solution we written in a single statement. See here, simple. X is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. I'm not writing any like 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi like that. So generally, okay, generally we can write sin x is equal to 0, x is equal to n pi. This solution is a general solution. When we take the solution below 360, like 0 to 360, those solutions are principal solutions. Okay, I'm going to ask a few questions. So you only tell me that what are the principal solutions. First, let us think about principal solution. Then after we'll go for general solutions, right? Trigonometric equations. You're not necessary to apply your sine like sine c plus sine d formulas. Not required that here. Simple. Just we have to think for what value of theta it will be. Like for example, tan x is equal to I am given 1. Can anyone tell that what are the principal solutions? PS. General solution will write later. What is x values or what value of x
45.
equal to? Exactly 45, comma
135.
5 pi by 4.
no 135. What is tan 135? 135 second quadrant is tan is positive.
No, sir.
No, but I have given +1. Think about that. Tan is positive in which quadrant?
315, sir.
First
Third
and
one.
the
315, sir.
third. Yes.
315, sir.
315 fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is positive.
225, sir. 225.
225. Absolutely right. One is 45 degrees, another one is 225. But here the thing is try to write in radians. This is in degrees. Can you tell me radians? 225. It is multiple of
Sir, 5 by
45.
4, sir.
5 pi by
5. Yeah, 5 pi
5
by
by
4. See, remember 45, 135, 225, and then after, yes, 225
Sir,
plus
5 pi by
90.
6.
315.
For every 90, 45 plus 90, 135. 135 plus 90, 225. 225 plus 90, 315. Everything is multiple of 45. Okay, so 5 pi by 4. Okay, so these are the principal solutions. Okay, that general solution I will tell you that shortcut form. Okay, because you know the sin x and cos x values are repeating after 360 degrees, but tan x values are repeating every 180 degrees. For every 180 degrees. Remember that. I will tell you why. Because sin x, even if you see the graph of sin x also, the loop of sine wave, every sine wave is repeating after 360. Okay, let's see. Sine is first quadrant positive, second quadrant negative, third quadrant, sorry, sine is positive in first and second, third and fourth is negative. Again, fifth, sixth, positive, seventh, eighth, negative. Like that, to repeat the values, how many degrees it is required? Positive here, then negative here. Positive, negative. To repeat this, we required 360. Again, when it will becomes positive values after
After
360.
360.
after
Zero.
360, exactly after 360, so that the 360 degrees or that is can be written as 2 pi. This the periodic. So the sin x is a periodic function because it is repeating. The value should be repeat. Then only we can say that that is periodic function. For every 360, it will be repeating. After 360, again it will becomes positive values, and negative value again positive values. Okay, so here, but whereas cos also same. Cos is positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. Again, positive, negative, negative, positive. It should be like that. It should be in order. First cos, if you take cos, first positive, negative, negative, positive. This one complete. Again, it should be repeat. When it will be repeat, positive, negative, negative, positive after 360. Am I right? But when you see tan first quadrant positive, second quadrant negative, third quadrant positive, fourth quadrant negative. Here the thing is plus minus, plus minus. It is repeating for 180 alone. Okay. Do you understand here? Repeat, the value should be repeat plus minus, again plus minus. For tan just 180. But sine, if you take sine, plus, plus, minus, minus. Again plus, plus, minus, minus. First quadrant positive, second quadrant positive, negative, negative. Why I'm telling you to remember easily, I'm telling you like this. The general solution is based on this repeating values we can write. Okay. I will tell you that the general solution. First, we have to concentrate on principal solutions. Right. I'm going to ask a few more values here. You can try to tell me when I take here, for example, cot theta is equal to minus root 3. Minus root 3. Anyone? What are the principal solution? First, what is the value I have given? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Okay, cot is negative in which quadrant?
Sir,
What?
second and fourth.
Second,
Fourth.
fourth. Okay, what are the for what value of theta?
120, sir. 2 pi by 3.
120 means 2 pi by 3. Is it 120? What is the value of cot 60? Generally, cot 60.
Minus 1 by 2. 1 by root 3, sir.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3, sir.
1 by root 3. Then 120. Also 1 by root 3. Not minus root 3. Okay, see here, it is, I understood. It is sometimes difficult to say direct value. So what to do? Very simple. Look at students. I'm simplifying easiest way. Cot theta is equal to, whenever you having negative, see here, root 3 value. Root 3 value in first quadrant.
Sir, cot 30.
Cot 30. Shall I write 5 by 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Since we know that second quadrant and the third quadrant, it is negative 5. What are the angles in second quadrant, students?
120.
90 plus and 180?
180 minus.
Okay. Can you tell me what is cot 180 minus theta? Anyone? Cot 180 minus theta.
Minus cot theta.
Minus cot theta.
Very good. Minus cot pi. Pi means 180. 18. Even means cot becomes cot. So 180 minus theta, second quadrant, cot is negative. Okay, now if you see here, it is in the form of RHS. Am I right? Shall I write this value as cot theta is equal to, shall I write minus cot theta as cot of 180 minus theta? 180, what is theta value? pi by 6. Shall I?
Pi by 6.
Okay, now shall I cancel cot? Now you can cancel. Now pi minus pi by 6.
Sir, 6 pi minus pi by 6, 5 pi by 6.
5 into pi by 6. That is nothing but 150. Okay, and also okay, we got the angle. This is 150. 5 into 30, 150. 150, okay, lesser than 360, so that this is one principal solution. We got here the answer is that 5 into pi by 6. We need to find again the theta value in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant also, can you tell me what is cot 2 pi minus theta? Anyone? 2 pi minus theta, fourth quadrant. This is equal to what?
Cot theta. Minus cot theta.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
Mine.
Minus,
Sir, because third quadrant only positive, sir. Cot.
yeah,
Tan
minus.
is positive in first and third quadrant.
Yes, yes. Okay, the given value, again, this value, whatever the value is there, this value, shall I write again with the help of RHS? RHS in the form of minus cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, shall I write this as cot of 2 pi minus pi by 6? What is? Yes or no?
11 pi by 6.
So theta value is what?
11 pi.
11 pi by 6.
Yeah, so 1 is 11 pi by 6. So 5 into pi by 6 belongs to second quadrant. Then that value is minus root 3. 11 into pi by 6 also same, minus root 3. So what are the principal values here?
5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6.
Exactly, exactly. These are the principal solutions. Principal solutions. Okay. So general solution also I can explain you, no problem. So before that, let's see. Some questions are given here. Now, can you tell me what are the principal solutions? First, they ask you find principal and general solution. First, let us see principal solutions. General solutions are very easy if you know the principal solution. Okay, tan x is equal to root 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3 plus root 3. Tan is positive in which quadrant? Quadrant
First and 3. First and 4th.
first and 3. Tan is positive first and 3. Okay, we can say directly the x value in first quadrant. For what value of x it will be root 3?
60.
Sir, pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Okay, we got one principal solution. Then another quadrant 3. Quadrant 3, what is the angle? Pi plus
180 plus theta.
exactly. And also student, here the thing is, in third quadrant, two ways we can write 270 minus theta, 180 plus theta. In second quadrant also we can write two ways, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. But remember, when you want to find the principal solution, you should take only the allied angles based on 180 and 360, like nothing but 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta. Don't take 90 plus theta.
Then the trigonometry function will change, sir.
Yeah, function will be changed. We cannot cancel. See here, for example, first question alone you can take tan x is equal to root 3. So here we are going to get two principal solution. One is first quadrant, another one is third quadrant. First quadrant is root 3 can be written as tan pi by 3. Now you can cancel directly. X is equal to pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3 is clearly belongs to closed interval 0 to open interval 2 pi. Because what is the principal solution? 0 lesser than or equal to x lesser than 2 pi. So that I'm taking open interval 2 pi because it is equal to 0. Okay, clearly it is. This is a principal solution. Next, same tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. Root 3 can be written as same tan pi by 3. Okay, fine. See here, this is in the form of, like, since we know that the formula tan of 180 plus theta formula is what, student? Tan theta or not?
Theta, sir.
Theta. And shall I write here? It is in the form of, again, RHS. Theta value is pi by 3. Shall I
Tan
these values 180 plus pi by 3? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can cancel tan. What is x value now?
4 pi by 3.
4 pi by 3. Nothing
4
but
pi by
240.
3.
Nothing but what? 240. Am I right? So one of the solution, one of the principal solution is a pi by 3. Next, another one is what? 4 pi by 3. Am I right? Right. So finally, therefore, what we have to write? Therefore, the principal solutions of tan x is equal to root 3 are pi by 3 to 4 pi by 3. See here, one more way we can write. So tan pi by 3 also can be written as tan 270, that is 3 pi by 2 minus 5 pi 3 also. Sorry, not like that. It is not.
The 2 pi by
Cot. Shall we write here cot 270 minus theta as tan pi by 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can write like this also. Tan pi by 3 also can be written as 270 minus theta. This is clearly belongs to quadrant 3. Okay, cot 270 minus pi by 3 also tan pi by 3. But can you able to cancel cot and tan?
No, sir, we should write cot by cot on the
Yes, so that only you should take either 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 260, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta to get the principal solution, right? Right. So can anyone tell directly here? Let us consider these are the questions are objective question. Right? Can you tell me what are the principal solutions of secant x is equal to 2? Principal solutions. 2 means positive. What are the quadrant? First quadrant and
First
secant
quadrant pi by
positive.
3, sir.
Next, first and fourth quadrant secant is positive. First quadrant pi by
3, sir.
okay. If it is pi by 3, fourth quadrant always you can take 2 pi minus theta. No option. See, if you want to find the principal solutions in first quadrant, okay, we get directly. Quadrant 2 you can take as pi minus theta. Quadrant 3 always you can use pi plus theta. Quadrant 4 always you can use 2 pi minus theta. Only 3 values you can remember. Theta value, what is theta value? Theta value already you will get in first quadrant. Whatever the value you will get first quadrant, that is a theta always. But we want to value second quadrant, you can take pi minus theta, that's all. Third quadrant, pi plus theta. Fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta. Okay, can already for secant x is equal to, we got to the value in first quadrant. Can you tell me what is the value in fourth quadrant?
Sir, 330, sir.
2 pi minus pi by 3, that's all.
330.
Nothing but radians. What is the value in radians? Pi by 3. That's all. Try to write always in radians. Don't
Yes,
write
sir.
in degrees. Okay, now coming to cot. See how easy. Cot is they given negative. Negative in which quadrant? Quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Am I right? Quadrant 2.
Yes.
First, you should find theta value. Theta value. See, I have written very clearly theta value. Second, third, fourth. What is theta? Theta nothing but the value of theta in first quadrant. Okay, for what value of theta it is root 3. Don't think about that negative sign. Okay, for what value of x it is root 3.
30.
30, that is 5 by 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the value I have written second quadrant? Pi minus theta. And fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta. Yeah, you got theta value in first quadrant. This pi by 6 you can substitute here. Pi minus pi by 6 is the principal solution. 2 pi minus pi by 6 is the principal solution. That's all. Have you got idea? First theta means first quadrant. Okay, in the same way, cosecant x is equal to minus 2 is there. Anyone? Take just plus 2. Okay, when cosecant is plus 2, for what value of x? For what value of theta?
30, again 30.
30, sir. Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. Again, cosecant x is negative in which quadrant?
So 3
Third
and
and
4.
fourth, sir.
Yes?
3 and 4,
Three-
sir.
180 plus
3 and
theta,
4.
2,
That's it.
360 minus theta.
That is 2 pi minus theta. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Theta already we found in first quadrant, pi by 6. So 5 plus pi by 6, 2 pi minus pi by 6. So these are the principal solutions.
So 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6.
Okay, anyhow, that simplify will get directly answered. So these are the principal solutions. Any doubts to find principal solutions? Okay, I'm giving 3 questions here. Sine theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. You can find the principal solutions. And secant theta is equal to, I'm giving just minus root 2. You can find the principal solution. And cosec, I'm going to give another cosecant theta is equal to, I'm giving minus 2 by root 3. I want to know the principal solutions here. Then cot of theta is equal to, I want to give like minus 1. I need the principal solutions. And the cos theta is equal to, just note it down, these values, like 2 by like no problem, minus, okay, plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. I want to, you can find all these cases, the principal solutions. You can try this. Is it just to do these 5 questions? 5 minutes is more than enough.
Sir, you have given the same values again and again.
Yes.
You have given the same values. Oh, all are 60 and 42 only, sir.
Okay, whatever the values I given, for that only you can find. Myself I given, try to take some other values, you can find the principal values. You can practice it. Okay. Even general solution is clearly depending on the first quadrant value again. Same like what I told you, principal solutions here. In the same way, general solution also depending on the first quadrant value. Very easy to write general solution. Principal solution only somewhat, okay, this is also very easy. But compared to this general solution again easy. Just remember 3 formulas, that's all. That general solution concept we will discuss in next class.
Yes.
Then we'll go for OBT concept. Try to do miscellaneous which is related to first 3 exercises yourself. That is always assignment. Okay, students, I